Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So as Diwali is just around the corner, I thought of giving you some ideas for making Diya thal. All the three Diyas are very simple to make and look very beautiful. Hope you enjoy and find something useful. For making the first Diya thal, I have taken a transparent glass which is the base, two cardboards out of which one I have cut as a frame and have used the other one as it is for providing support to the glass. Then I have taken a gota lace, wool in two colors for making pom-pom and two sizes of gota flowers. Let's dive into the process now. For making the second diya, I have taken some jute and made a round base out of it. For decorating the thal, I have used these white artificial flowers, flower buds, small orange flowers, artificial grass, leaves, some beads and pearls, mirror and two diyas. Let's dive into the process now. Now comes the third and the last diya. For making this one, I have cut out a round shaped cardboard which is the base, green colored brocade fabric for covering the cardboard, some pearls and beads, artificial flowers, shells, stones and mirrors of two sizes for decoration. So I have used this tassel lace as a border. If you want to see how I made it, you can check the first episode of my small balcony makeover series. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.